Welcome back to the tutorial. In this section, we will mainly talk about the fragment function, but we didn't finish the vertex function as I can see now. So first of all, there are one mistake here. It's an enum, and we need to specify it correctly. Afterward, we are using here a vertex, and we change our I but we never update the I in the actual vertex, so we probably want to do this. And in this function, it will be work fine, but it's not calculated the I. We want to put the max I that the user input. So we need to change it. For this, we will just multiply it by the I that the user inserted. Okay, so after we change the vertex, so it will work just fine. Let's move on to the fragment. The fragment I will not write while I'm talking because it's really complex word and it's really easy to misspell some word and to do an errors. So I just wrote it beforehand, and I will just explain how this thing works. So the first two rows meant to do the reflection. For it, I will just explain it. I have a mesh and the camera. When I'm doing the first row, what I'm telling the computer to do is to get the word pose that we calculated in the last tutorial and the place of the camera, and to create a vector from this place from word pose to the camera. We already calculated the normal, so after we got this, and all we have to do to get this vector, the reflection, is to use the reflection function. So as you can see here, I got direction. I got my direction, sorry, and afterward I need to change the direction of the vector and to get my reflection. So that's exactly what these two rows do. Afterward, I take the word reflect vector, and from it, and within the function of that Unity giving us, I can get the data of the color uh, that we can find in the current position. Afterward, to transform it into a normal color that we can put into the pixel, all I have to do is to use the decode. So after we did these four functions that really hard to say their names, but they don't doing much, we can go and just look on our waves. Yeah. So I have this game object. Uh, it I already changed it to our shader. This is the way, and put the texture inside it. And when I will press play, you can see the wave. Now, if you want, you can put the scale to be really low, and the wave will be much cleaner because the texture that I use is a downloaded one, and it's not a really good texture. But if you know how to do it correctly, you can do really high a wave with a big scale, but it depends about the resolution and the quality of the texture. So the tutorial is finished. I hope you learn and enjoy it, and see you next time.